Here, nucleophilic substitution reaction. Here we will discuss nucleophilic substitution reaction in which, see, this is the alkyl halide in which nucleophile is to be attacked to form nucleophilic substitution reaction. So this halogen is to be released on this is a leaving group. So that is the nucleophilic substitution. One atom or element is to be removed and other nucleophile is to be substituted. Now here suppose that the example is ethyl bromide. This is alkyl halide. This is the general example, ethyl bromide, in which if we are adding reaction with KOH, that is aqueous KOH. On aqueous KOH, what happen? There is a formation of alcohol, means simply K plus OH minus. OH minus attack to this Br and Br is released and there is a formation of alcohol. Same ethyl bromide react with ammonia. In case of ammonia, when it react, there is a formation of primary, secondary, tertiary and quaternary ammonium bromide is to be formed. So here primary, secondary, tertiary and quaternary ammonium salt, you can say, that is, or bromide is formed. That is said to be Hofmann's ammonolysis. Ammonolysis, here this indicate that in ammonia there is a ammonia NH3. In ammonia, when it react with alkyl halide, two form means all the H is replaced and substituted by alkyl group. That is the formation of ammonia when react with this to form RNH2, R3N, R2N or R3NBr. This is the quaternary ammonium salt. So here this is the reaction with ammonia when ammonia react with alkyl halide to form 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree and quaternary ammonium salt is to be formed. Now same when this alkyl halide react with KCN. With KCN here simply K is dissociate K plus Cn minus. So this is a nucleophile, it attack to the position of Br and there is a formation of ethyl cyanide. Simple, ethyl nitrile is a product. Now after that there is a silver cyanide, AgCN. But in case of AgCN, here what happened? In case of AgCN, there is a bonding between AgCN is covalent. In case of covalent, there is a tendency to form a linkage with the Cn as well as isonitrile. So here nitrogen Cn, nitrogen also containing electron lone pair, so that it form a bond with the ethyl or alkyl group to form isonitrile. That is isonitrile is a product is to be formed when AgCN is react, because it is a covalent. Simply in presence of AgCN you don't write alkyl cyanide, your answer is to be wrong. Always it form product as a isocyanide. Reason is that this is a covalent bond. Now after that, this is next, that is potassium nitrate. When it is react with potassium nitrate to form again nitrate, that is nitrite NO2. When it attack to the Br, there is a formation of ONO. Again it is also ambient ligand, so it form ONO, that is ethyl nitrite. There is a formation of product as a nitrite. So this nitrite, that is C2H5ONO. In case of same here, when it react with AgNO2, sodium nitrite, when sodium nitrite is react to form, there is a formation of nitroethane or nitroalkane. That is the by Williamson synthesis. Now this nitroalkane and silver bond is to form when this alkyl halide react with RONA, sodium alkoxide, to form ether, right? Because alkyl halide react with sodium alkoxide, RONA, product is always ether, and that is the Williamson synthesis of ether. Now so this is the formation of ether by the reaction with alkyl halide react with sodium alkoxide, RONA. Now same alkyl halide react with sodium ethanide. Sodium ethanide means compound containing triple bond with sodium when it react with alkyl halide, there is a formation of, that is alkyne, that is butane, because there is a ethyl bromide. When it react with sodium ethanide to form butane, that is compound containing 4 carbon with triple bond, this is the butane. So here that is the reaction with sodium ethanide. Now then, when alkyl halide react with silver salt of carboxylic acid, when react with silver salt of carboxylic acid, here then there is a formation of ester. When alkyl halide react with silver salt of carboxylic acid, there is a formation of ester, RCOOR. That is the formation of ester, and that is all are nucleophilic substitution reaction, in which one atom element is to be replaced by the highly reactive and substituted by the highly reactive nucleophilic substitution. So this way we have to conclude this part, nucleophilic substitution reaction. Here reaction are explained.